Hey there beautiful friend, need to add your YouTube channel link to your Instagram bio? In this video, I'll show you the current method that work in 2026, step by step. Whether you are new to Instagram or updating your profile, this quick guide will help you link your channel accurately and make it easier for people to find. Let's get started. First, open YouTube app and go to the profile page if you want to copy. For example, I am copy my tips and tricks channel URL. So tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner, then click on share. After that, tap on copy link and automatically copy your link. Now go back to home page, open the app store, then find and open the Instagram app. After the Instagram app is open, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right center. In the menu, tap on the edit profile button. After this page, scroll down a little, find the add link option, tap on it. Here, tap on the add link option again. Now, paste the URL in the top center. After that, give it a title. For example, I am use YouTube, so type YouTube. Once you have done, tap on the checkmark icon at the top right corner and wait to complete the process. After editing your URL to check it work, simply return to your profile page again, swipe it, and boom, you can see automatically appear your YouTube profile URL in your profile section. I hope this tutorial made easy everything simple. If it helped, leave a like, subscribe for more easy guides, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.